Hello again guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Lutuing Pinoy Abroad with Elmer and Desiree. Today, I'll be going to make one of the very well-known bread in the Philippines, Ube Cheese Pandesal. This kind of bread is more tastier and flavorful than the basic pandesal because of its ube jam and quick melt cheese filling that melt in your mouth on your first bite. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now here are our ingredients. Fresh milk, all-purpose flour or plain flour, ube jam or halaya, ube extract, eggs, butter, yeast, sugar, salt, and for our filling, quick melt cheese and ube jam or halaya. Now let's start. In a lukewarm milk, let's add the yeast and let it to bloom for 10 minutes or until bubbles appeared. While waiting, let's prepare our dry ingredients, sugar, salt, and plain flour. Then mix it using our hand or spatula. Then make a well on the middle for our wet ingredients to add and set aside. Followed by the egg. Just crack it in a clean bowl and lightly beaten. Then set aside. Now that our yeast is ready, just pour into our dry mixture. Together with butter and the lightly beaten egg. Together with the ube extract and ube jam or halaya that I made it earlier. This makes our pandesal more flavorful and tastier because of the ube halaya. Then start mixing it using our hand or spatula. Just make sure that ube halaya or jam is well incorporated with the mixture. Just add some flour for dusting to avoid sticking on our bowl. The secret of a soft and fluffy pandesal is through kneading. So we're going to knead it until soft and elastic in consistency. Now, let's transfer it into the kneading table to further the process of kneading our dough. To avoid using too much flour for kneading, we'll be going to use about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and continue kneading again. As you can see on our dough, it's starting to get more elastic. Now, our bread dough is ready. We're going to leave it and rest for 45 to 1 hour or double in size. After an hour, here is our bread dough. It's double in size. We will just keep kneading our bread dough to take out the air and transfer to a kneading table. But first, grease it with the vegetable oil. At this point in time, the breadcrumbs and our filling of ube jam or halaya and cheese are all ready as well. Now let's cut our dough and roll it into log. For you guys, for more videos of DIY and cooking, you may visit our YouTube channel, Facebook page, TikTok, Instagram at Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. And also, please like, share, and comments if you like this recipe. Using bread cutter, we're going to cut the dough into a desired weight or about 40 grams each weight. And roll it into a round shape. Now let's start filling with the ube jam and cheese. Just seal it properly so that it will not leak during baking process. Then roll it into breadcrumbs. And line it in the baking paper into a pan. Just do the same process on the remaining dough until our all bread doughs are all filled and sealed. We're going to rest our bread dough for 30 minutes or double in size before baking. After 30 minutes, we're going to start baking our pandesal for preheated oven at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 minutes, our Ube Cheese Pandesal is now ready to serve. Let's try! As you can see how soft and fluffy our Ube Cheese Pandesal. Enjoy this with your loved ones, especially in the morning with hot brewed coffee. Thank you for watching. Enjoy cooking. Happy eating. God bless. Bye-bye.